My name's Lance Mills and I'm the owner of LRM Customs, an off-road shop here in Fort Worth, Texas. We are an off-road company that we specialize in, our main component is our protective finish. It's a specialized paint job. We also do suspensions, wheels and tires, accessories, winches. We do differential services, re-gears for trucks and Jeeps. Pretty much anything that you could want in the off-road division. And then on top of that, we also have a paint and body division that handles insurance claims and regular collision work. I don't know that any build necessarily set us apart. What I would say is early on in 6-7 years ago, we had a Jeep that our social media went viral and it reached about 12 or 10 million people. So that kind of vaulted us into having a lot of fans and our notoriety, and then from there the combination of all the quality work that we've put out over the years is what separates us from everybody else. The quality that we put out, the attention to detail. We often have people come back because they need business cards, because so many people ask them where they got their work done after that customer has walked around and seen our work and touched it and felt it and seen the quality and the attention to detail that we have. We schedule appointments with all of our customers and we bring them in to have a one-on-one consultation. That way we get a feel for what they're trying to accomplish with their build. Not everybody is the same, not everybody is planning to do the same thing with their Jeep or truck. Some people want to lift wheels and tires in order just to look cool. Some want an entire suspension completely rebuilt with control arms, axles, and everything that goes along with it. From start to finish, for the average build, it takes us about 7 or 10 days. That's not counting accessories and things. If somebody comes in with a relatively stock vehicle and they're coming in for a spray, for instance, we can get that in and out of here in 7 to 10 days. When you start adding the different accessories and things, we add length of time. We have the ability to put graphics on our protective finish as well. We've done everything from names to camouflage to faces, you name it, we can pretty much take care of. So depending on your design and your overall goal, it can take anywhere from, I would say, we can do a lift, wheels and tires in a day or two, or we have some builds that have taken as much as 4 to 6 weeks to complete. We have some possibility of cool builds, like we've just been able to do a lot of really cool things as it comes. We got the chance to do a Jeep like this one that has flake in it. We're doing another Jeep right now that's a full build that has metallic flake in it. There's just, every time somebody walks in the door, it's in reality the next chance that we get to do a cool build. And we do try to do wheeling events and police drives, and we support our military and our first responders and donate our time, effort, and energy to the good causes around. And we want to actually bring you in and talk to you and see what it is that you need. That way we can sit down with you and pick out the right bumpers, the right fender flares, the right wheels, the right tires, everything that goes along with what you're trying to accomplish. A lot of our customers, they want to default to our expertise on everything that they're selecting, because there are 9 million products out there that you can choose for your vehicle and your Jeep or your truck. And having that expertise with somebody sitting there right next to you, guiding you, is definitely a plus, especially when it's just a one-on-one and you walk out of here feeling as if you've been well taken care of, everything's been explained to you, and you know that your Jeep or your truck is in good hands with us.